Hi guys. Sometimes we feel that our soul has its fragments left over in various timelines that we have lived. This is not the past lifetimes, but the lifetimes or the timelines that we have lived in during the course of our present life itself, which are fragmented sometimes, as we feel that sometimes we are unable to behave like how we used to do earlier in a previous timeline while you were young, or say for example on a specific timeline where you used to be in a highest potential. So that is where your soul gets fragmented, and sometimes you will not be able to do the soul retrieval, so that those soul parts can come and fit into your present day lives and help you integrate your soul fragments by connecting to the specific timeline of yours. Now, why I feel it is difficult to do the soul retrieval or collecting the soul fragments is because mostly when we awaken our soul memories, it will be difficult for us to fit that uh, particular piece of our soul from a different or a previous timeline where you were in a highest potential towards the current situation you are living in, because you are unable to forgive yourself or others, or you are unable to integrate the soul properly by uh, taking a chance to leave the situation as it is and allow the situation to unfold, and by healing yourselves from the current situation. So what I was trying to explain was not a large sentence, but a simple thing that your current situation would not have kept you in collecting your soul fragment from a previous timeline while you are in your highest potential. So the current situation might be limiting you towards achieving your soul part that used to be in the highest potential at some point of your life. Suppose I am collecting a timeline of myself while I was in my best or my highest potential at some point of my life. Now I am unable to integrate that soul fragment to my current life situation. The reason is that mostly it will be because you don't want to forgive others or take a risk by leaving the situation as it is and taking risks or chance to heal yourself and come out of the situation. So this is a very difficult thing to do for even ordinary people, because the current situation is making everyone's life difficult for integrating our own soul fragments from our previous timelines, and this doesn't include any of the past lifetimes. The difference between soul retrieval and past life regression is that soul retrieval collects soul fragments from your present life and do the integration and do the soul readings after doing the soul healing to help you integrate the soul and do the proper fitment of the soul by doing the soul retrieval. Whereas past life regression is something that you try to integrate those lessons learned from past lives, as you may have to undergo certain emotional healing or trauma healing which is associated with your past life. There will be lessons to learn from your past life regression, and you will be integrating those lessons into your current lifetime. Whereas soul fragmentation or soul retrieval is done by collecting the soul fragments that are left over during different timelines of our present life itself, and we are unable to integrate those into our current situation just because you don't want to forgive others or yourself for the situation you are currently living in, and that requires tremendous strength from your side to help you recover your soul fragments, you collect your soul parts and assemble it and integrate it well enough so that you can uh, do a soul retrieval of yourself by integrating it into the current life situation that you are living in. Now, I will take a case for example. Like suppose there was a timeline in which you were in your highest potential, and you were not, you are still hoping for getting the old soul fragment, and you want to integrate that to your current life situation. Now, for example, people are tied up with the lockdown and the pandemic stuff that is going on for quite some time now, and some people would not be able to comprehend the life situation they are in currently, and what happens is they will not be able to wake up their highest potential or their psychic abilities that they have from other lifetimes. Now I am talking about our current timelines. Say 5 years before or 10 years back, you might have been in your best potential, and you can actually, for soul integration or for soul retrieval, what you can do is you can actually visualize your own life 5 years or 10 years back as to how you were, and try to accommodate the same life situation, or imagine being in the same timeline now and see what is happening in your daily life. That is the best thing you need to do when you want to integrate your soul or collect your soul fragment from a different timeline and test that out with the current life situation that you are presently living in. Now, what happens is, mostly when we used to be in a lot of joyful or merry mood, or you will be having access to bigger jobs or bigger vehicles, or mostly the material abundance would have been more compared to the present life situation that everyone is living. I am just citing an example so that everyone can do a practical way of doing a soul integration using your own soul part, which can be collected from a previous timeline of yours. Now, when you integrate that soul fragment from a timeline where you are flourishing in life, and trying to integrate with the current situation, current lockdown situation, where people are tied up with not much of access to material things, or office jobs, or other abundance, other material abundance. So what you can actually do is you can try to balance that out with your spiritual abundance. That is one thing that we can do. Now, mostly what happens is, from this Monday onwards, Uranus is standing against Jupiter, and that is the planet which is creating most of the rebellion and the panic with people. That's why people are coming out of their cocoon and trying to stand on their own, and trying to exercise their free will for the choice of destiny. Free will is always a choice of destiny, but at the same time, free will does not mean that you can do whatever you want with your soul. Free will means that your soul should embody your current life purpose as to why you are incarnated during this lifetime. What is your soul's path? You should be correctly following the soul path to embody the soul purpose. That is called as soul retrieval. And for doing the soul retrieval, what is required is, when circumstances change and you are curtailed to do certain things in your life, whereas you used to enjoy those things on a previous timeline, then right now you are unable to do that, and you are going out lethargic, or rebellious, or against others choices. Definitely, there is a need of doing a soul integration, collecting your soul fragments from your previous timelines, and to assess why you are not able to cope up with others or the current life situation that you are dealing with currently. Now, what will happen is, when you try to assemble your own soul fragment from a previous timeline where you used to flourish, and try to fit into a situation which you are living in currently, what will happen is, there will be lot of uh, choices left to us to heal ourselves. Why we are not able to integrate our own soul from a previous timeline is because we are not giving a chance for our soul to heal from the past. I'm not talking about a past lifetime, but our own uh, present. Uh, it is only a previous timeline which we lived, say 5 years back, or 10 years back, or 15 years back. I am trying to only integrate the soul fragment from a previous timeline that we had, and you need to try to embody that timeline in your current life situation now. And what will happen is, there will be a lot of space left to you to heal yourself, to forgive others, because nobody can nowadays people are collectively doing things instead of doing things on their own. Right from the beginning of the day of Aquarius, it's about a month back that people are participating in collective things. So people have started realizing that the situation is not caused by each one of us, and they have started forgiving each other for their misbeliefs. So that is an example of healing ourselves for the current life situation that we are in. What we need to do is, we need to fit our own soul by uh, collecting our soul fragment where we used to live in our highest potential, and try to integrate that into the current life situation that we are living in. And that will leave us a space for healing ourselves, to forgive others, and to do self forgiveness. Practicing self forgiveness will help you open up to bigger possibilities. So what will happen is, now from this week onwards, uh, there is a lot of scope for expansion and growth in whatever field that you have chosen to sit with, compared to the previous weeks. I think it started in the second week of January. The energies have changed, and because of this Uranus Jupiter conjunction, other than the Jupiter Saturn conjunction, what has happened is, there is a lot of rebellious energy, and people are leaving choices of free will and destiny more, which is in fact good, because a free will choice is always left to the free will of the person that is left to live with the soul. And your soul's purpose is established in this lifetime when you understand your soul purpose. And for that, a soul retrieval is necessary for first uh, uh, in order for first integrating that with your own soul fragments. And in order to integrate your soul fragments, you can collect your soul fragments from your previous timelines. It could be from your uh, first career days, or it could be from the highest days of your career, and you can reassess or integrate that. You are only integrating the soul, you are not integrating the material prosperity or your financial abundance during that time. You are just reassessing and trying to integrate your soul from that particular previous timeline where you had much more success, and try to understand why you are not able to sit with the same soul level or the same soul part during this difficult situation. So that will give you tremendous space for healing yourselves, because what happens is this situation is going to continue, say, for another 3 months or 6 months. What will happen is it will allow you, once you give space for healing yourselves, your soul part of a highest timeline, or where you are in your peak career days, will come and sit with the current situation, so that in the free time you can allow yourselves or give yourself space to heal yourselves and to forgive others and forgive yourselves. Practice self forgiveness for the situation that is caused by something that is not within our control, because the frequency of the planet has changed, and establishing a free will choice for our soul is necessary for the soul to embody the current life purpose. And for that we need to find our life purpose, and we need to find about more about our psychic gifts also. I think I have shown couple of tarot readings on our life purpose, finding how to find our life purpose, and how to uh, use our psychic gifts. I have shown couple of tarot sessions, channeling sessions on finding our life purpose and awakening our gifts. Now, even soul retrieval, uh, in order to do the soul retrieval and soul integration by collecting soul fragments, we can do this exercise first to do the soul healing properly. Then only we'll be able to mature into a soul retrieval level, and that is a part. That is the time when we embody the soul towards attaining the life purpose of the soul, or rather you will be doing a fitment of the soul, and after that only we will be able to do any past life readings or channeling sessions using tarot to understand something from your past. First thing is we should be able to collect our soul parts from different previous timelines of our own life and integrate it in such a way that we are able to adapt to the current life situation, which is a bit difficult for everyone to do. I do understand, because everyone will find it a bit difficult to integrate that and balance it with the spiritual abundance that we have, because earlier days everyone used to be materially prosperous than now, and now we can only think of balancing that with the spiritual prosperity that we have, which is coming from inside. So we need to try to balance the material prosperity that we used to have earlier with the spiritual prosperity that we can try to attain by going an inward journey or finding from within whatever true life purpose and whatever soul gifts are. If you know the soul gifts that you embody, and if you know the true life purpose, I have been showing two intuitive tarot spreads for finding out your life purpose and our psychic gifts. You can try doing any of those readings once you integrate the soul and do the proper soul retrieval. Then what will happen is there might be people who might be interested in doing past life readings, and that is for people who have some emotional trauma or some healing that needs to be done, and a lesson to integrate from your past life. If there are no lessons to integrate from any of your past lives, what you need to do is you just need to integrate your soul parts from previous timelines that you have lived in, and try to do a soul retrieval by integrating those soul fragments, not any soul lessons. That is the main difference between past life healing and your soul retrieval. Soul retrieval is only about collecting those soul fragments from different timelines and fitting that back into your soul. Whereas past life readings is there will be healing from emotional trauma or any difficult life situation or repeated cycles or karmic patterns. There might be ancestral healing that needs to be done. There might be past life trauma associated with that, and that will be a little more complicated than soul retrieval or soul integration from our our own soul fragments from our previous timelines, because that only will help us cope up with the higher frequency that we are in currently, and the difficult situation with the planets going around in different directions altogether. I hope this address the situation well.